Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a game changer in the world of software development, GitHub Copilot. Now, if you're a coder or even just someone who appreciates technology, you might have heard the buzz around this AI-powered tool. But what exactly is GitHub Copilot, and how is it reshaping the way we write code? So let's start with the basics. GitHub Copilot is essentially your coding partner in crime, a powerful AI assistant that helps developers write code faster and more efficiently. It's designed to understand context and suggest entire lines or blocks of code as you're typing. Imagine you're working on a project, and as you start writing a function, Copilot jumps in and fills in the blanks. Pretty cool, right? Now, you might be wondering, how does this work? Well, it leverages machine learning models trained on a vast amount of public code available on GitHub and other repositories. Think of it as having access to a library of coding knowledge from which it generates suggestions based on what it anticipates you need at that moment. But let's make this a little more interesting. Picture this. You're a chef in a bustling kitchen, and instead of hunting for a recipe, there's a sous chef right beside you, whispering in your ear the next ingredient you need based on what you've already got cooking. That's what Copilot does for coders. It takes the stress out of figuring things out on your own. Now, while the concept sounds groundbreaking, it does raise some fascinating questions. For example, is there a risk of developers becoming too reliant on such tools? Will we lose the art of coding, or will it simply enhance our abilities? And what about code quality and security? After all, every tool comes with its pros and cons. On the flip side, GitHub Copilot can significantly improve productivity, especially for repetitive coding tasks or for those new to programming who might need a little extra guidance. It's like having a personal mentor who's always there to help you along the way. That said, it's essential for developers to critically assess the suggestions and understand the code they're implementing. And here's something intriguing. We should also talk about community dynamics. GitHub has always been a hub for collaboration, and tools like Copilot bring a new layer to this. Imagine teams working together, where Copilot suggests collaborative coding ideas in real time. It could spur creativity, innovation, and faster problem solving. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on some key insights from today's discussion. GitHub Copilot represents a significant leap in making coding more accessible and efficient, but it's crucial that we maintain a balance between leveraging AI tools and honing our own skills. After all, the best coding practice might still come from good old-fashioned learning and experience. So what do you think about AI in coding? Is it the future, or does it spell trouble for traditional coding skills? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk today. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and remember to embrace the tools that help you create.